Hello guys, today SS7 trader is here and today I will show you my auto trading robot system that connects MT4 platform to IQ options. So let's see how it works. So go to MT4 platform and install any indicator on MT4. If you don't know how to install any indicator on MT4, go to YouTube and write a word on search bar how to install any indicator on MT4 platform. For more info, ping me on my Facebook ID, then I will provide you all information you need. So first of all, here is MT4 platform in which I can install my indicator. So when the indicator shows signal, then it will be automatically trade on IQ options. So now I am wait for the signals. So can you see right top corner of the window is in there 53.8% now, and wait for signals. When it will be changed in 57%, then it will be shows the an arrow indicator. So that means when the arrow will be appear on the graph, then automatically trade on our IQ options. So here is my auto trading robot system. So now I am waiting for the signals. When the signal will be appear, then I show you how it works. And also here is manually trading for IQ option system. You can see left corner of the graph call and put button. So here is in the box 1.0. Now you can change the amount of trade. When you click the call button, then automatically trade on IQ option. So let's see how it works. So I click call button now and go to IQ option. Here you can see Euro AUD call button. It will be automatically trade on IQ option at call. So I will sell because it is not a true. So let's see auto trading. I am waiting for 57% signal ratio, then it will be appear on the screen. So you can use martingale in which, and you can use martingale steps on your choice, and you can handle news also. The biggest one, news. You can stop the system when the news will be appear before the time news appear, and after the time. You can stop the news 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after, or your choice. Time will be on your choice. So let's see. I can show you its connected IQ option to MT4. Here is my robot connector. So let's see. Here is my first manual trade. You can see manual trade. here is manual trade, then those I can put on manual. Click on call button on Euro AUD graph. So yes, here is settings. So you can fix the amount of trade, fix the martingale steps and percentage your balance, daily stop loss, risk management system, daily take profit, trade amount limit, trade volume amount, and filter settings, minimum payout, trading hours, limit of open trade per pair, limit of all open per trades. You can set up your trading hours. See, you can also set up trading hours. And general is your other general settings. So you can use any time frame and any expiry time for trading. You can use martingale as well as use martingale steps, how much you do this, and you can use news control also, and you can use your trading hours time as you wish. So I am waiting this signals. When it will be 57%, then it will be show the signal, then automatically trade on IQ option. So now at this time is 12:58 a.m. That's why market is, I think on 2 a.m. market is closed, so that's why it's take a time for signal. And afterwards, if anybody want to buy, then I will give you in $300, only $300, and just ping me on my Facebook ID. It will be available on the description, and also available my email address on the video description. So just ping me, then I will be reply, and for more info then contact me. I will reply all your answers, and I will show you my today's some auto trading. So wait, I can set up. So here is I can use both indicator for trading, and here is 51.43% success rate, and it trade 36, and we lost $14 and gain profit 24.48 USD in 40 minutes. I can test on both indicator but not properly use both indicator. I have my own indicator that gives 90% success rate, so it's just testing today, not I am use both indicator for auto trading. So I am waiting for signals. when this signal will be appear, then I will show you how it works. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Giveaway. Okay. Just wait a second, then I will go back. When the signal will be appear, then I will trade. So just wait. Hello guys, I will just back again, and here you can see 83% push signal, and you can go our connector system. Here is your USD trade down $500 and 2 minutes expiry, and go now IQ option and see your USD trade. Wait. Here you can see our down trade on Euro USD. Here is our down signal, so you can see on IQ option, and it will be moved downwards. So you can see and I can change in candles. Then see properly how it's work. There is our trade downward, 2 minute expiry, and as you can see, here is your USD put signal at 1:19 AM. So here is my robot system. If anybody want to buy, then contact me. I will be available on Facebook and also on my email. The info available on the description of the video. So thanks for all watching my video, and I think you have some great knowledge of trading. So goodbye, see you, good night, Allah Hafiz.